We are on a bucket list trip to a working cattle ranch for the second time in 2 years. It's a place called McInnes Meadows in the northwest corner of Montana. This time we're helping to find and round up steers scattered over 70 square miles of mountainside forest. We're bringing them in to be counted, weighed, and vaccinated, doctored when necessary, then moved to fresh green grass and valley pastures. My job? Well, on the last day, based on my distant video production background and using the absolute minimum tools, capture the process on tape and later produce a short video, and to stay out of the way. Cora's job on this final day, with her medical background, she pitched in to help the wranglers keep the vaccination process moving. We'll all go home with memories of amazing horses, new friends, and with a real appreciation for Montana and a cattle rancher's way of life.